Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome to the TransTEC channel for another video on the TransTEC Kobe 140. Somehow a fun quadcopter to me. Well, partly because it has a very good FPV camera, but it's not a beast, not at all, especially not stock. Okay, so this is the second video in which I alter things on this quadcopter. Stock, it came with propeller guards, yay! And to shed some weight mostly and a little bit of air resistance, I removed those. And stock, it came on these red propellers, only one set by the way. And these are 30-30 propellers, which means 3" in diameter and the pitch is 30. Okay, and in the previous video I put these propellers on, which are from this guy here, the GEP-RC MX3. So what's the difference? Well, these propellers have a bigger pitch. These are 30-30, the stocks. These are 30-42. 30-42. And that sure made a lot of difference. I'm flying it on 4S by the way, just in case you're wondering. Still on these propellers it wasn't a beast. Yeah, it was quite a lot faster, more nimble, but still it had me longing for more performance out of this Kobe 140. So, as you can see, I've got other propellers on it again. These are Gemfan propellers, pretty new propellers, and these are 30-52, so an even more aggressive pitch. And they are hard to see for you, they are clear. Oh, by the way, they are available in several different colors. Black, yellow, also green by the way. Some other colors. I'll have a link to these propellers in the description of this video, of course. And I really like these propellers. They have transformed the quadcopter into a beast. Oh, pretty close. In a second I'll switch to my DVR recording. And again, it's hard to judge actual speed in a DVR recording. But as you will see, as you'll definitely see, the acceleration is far faster. If I punch out over a tree, it's far faster. So that is definitely an upgrade. These are very nice propellers. In fact, I'll put those propellers on the GEP-RC MX3 as well. Again, these are 30-42 and these new Gemfan propellers are 30-52. I was actually surprised I didn't see a lot of oscillations. In general, you'd think you'd have to do some pitch tuning. Makes sense, right? Completely different propeller, but it looks okay to me. Yeah, so I am very much impressed by these propellers. Will they hold up in crashes? I have no idea, I haven't crashed them yet. They are, oh, actually they are nicely flexible. Not overly flexible, but they have a little bit of flex in them. So I have good hopes for their reliability in crashes. But still, they perform very nicely. Yeah, okay, so this is definitely an upgrade. And with these propellers, the TransTEC Kobe is definitely very capable. Very nice quadcopter like this. So yeah, that's it. Hope this gave you some information. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.